Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics 5. So we are now in quarter 3 module 1. Today we are going to discuss about understanding percent. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We can see percent sign everywhere, in the markets, malls, newspapers, magazines, even your cell phones or tablets. So it is important that we know and understand the meaning of percent, as well as the relationship of percent, fraction, ratio, and decimal. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to visualize percent and its relationship to fractions, ratios, and decimal numbers using models. It was in the 15th century when the idea of percent began. It comes from the Latin word per centum, which means for every 100. A percent is a ratio of a number to 100. It is represented by this symbol. Percent may be written in fraction form. To change percent to a fraction, remove the percent symbol and write the number as numerator, then 100 as denominator. This is from the definition that percent means for every 100. For example, 53%. Since we remove the percent sign, that will become 53 over 100, and the lowest term is 53 over 100. Next example, we have 25%. 25% in fraction, that is 25 over 100, and in lowest term that will becomes 1/4. How about this next example? You can try this one.
A few moments later.
16% in fraction, that will becomes 16 over 100, and in the lowest term that will becomes 4 over 25. Percent may also be written as decimal number. To change percent to decimal, write the percent as a fraction. Then, divide the numerator by the denominator. 15% in fraction, that is equal to 15 over 100. In decimal, we are going to divide that one, so that will become 0.15 or 15 hundredths. Another way of changing percent to decimal, change percent symbol to decimal point, then move it twice to the left. For example, percent is a ratio with 100 as second term. So to change percent to ratio, remove the percent sign and write 100 as the second term. For example, 38%. So 38%, that is equal to 38 is to 100. Next, we have 5%. So 5% in ratio, that is equal to 5 is to 100. If you count the shaded part in a grade, that is 35. So in percent, that is 35%. In ratio, that is 35 is to 100. In decimal, that is 0.35 or 35 hundredths. And in fraction, that is 35 over 100. So I hope you learned from this video. Always remember, practice makes perfect.